Sometimes it's the middle of the summer and you have absolutely no time in your schedule for the rest of the year, but you say, honey, you want to go to Disney World.
I wanted to go to Disney World.
In 2020, Disney World announced that my favorite ride ever, Splash Mountain, was being rethemed and closed for good. We recently heard rumors that this could be as soon as the end of the year. So what did that mean? We had to go to Disney World now. The only problem was we didn't have time. Actually, for the remainder of the year, we only had 1.5 days of open time on our schedule. So, we made it work. What's better? We fit 4 parks, 30 rides, 15 different snacks or meals, and a whole lot of fun into this short time. This is how we did it. How's your day going so far?
Oh, it's pretty great. Pretty marvelous, magical.
Heading off to Pirates of the Caribbean. Hey, how do you feel about Jungle Cruise?
I like it, and I think it's funny. I think it's a little overrated.
She's wrong.
You see what they did to it? Look at it. I know, they painted blue. I wanted the pastel. Right now, we're headed to the longest river in the world. And some of my nephews. I was able to save my couple of
Where'd you get lunch at, babe?
Casey's Corner, because they have corn dog nuggets.
It's around 1:30. We did most of what we wanted to here at the Magic Kingdom. So we're heading to Animal Kingdom next to try to get a couple of our favorites in there.
We are trying to accomplish 3 parks one day, so we'll see how it goes.
All right, we've made it to Animal Kingdom. Quick shuttle over, and I think we're gonna try to head to Avatar first. Avatar was awesome as always, one of our favorites, but unfortunately not much to film in there. But our day was about to get a lot more interesting. Spoiler alert, Florida in September has a lot of rain. Today I learned my raincoat doesn't work.
My raincoat does work.
All right, we're heading into our 3rd park, which is Disney's Hollywood Studios. We have dinner reservations here tonight. Gonna try to hit a couple more rides. The rain finally stopped, which is gonna make this a little bit easier on us. Hopefully it holds off for a while. Deanna just got the blue milk. How is it? What's it taste like?
Milk. But blue.
This blue milk is exceptionally good. It tastes like a fruity coconut. But I've never got it before because I thought it would suck, and it's actually awesome. After a quick walk through Toy Story Land and hitting some of the attractions in the area, it was time for our next stop, our reservation at the Sci-Fi Dine In Theater. This restaurant was amazing. Each individual table makes you feel like you're in a car, and they play old sci-fi movies on a big movie screen in front. The food was okay, nothing to write home about, but not bad. But the environment was top notch. Just ordered the Surf and Turf burger. It's a burger with crab cake on it. And I'm in a car watching vintage sci-fi movies. This is great. Day one is complete. We're both back here. Little covered in water and sweat and everything else from all the rain. So clean it up, get ready. We're heading to Epcot tomorrow morning. It should be a blast. Heading into day 2 here at Epcot. Time to head to Guardians of the Galaxy. Our boarding group was just called. We got reservations at 7 this morning. Super excited.
This is our first time riding it, and we are excited.
Guardians was fantastic. We highly recommend it, but since Disney allows very limited filming inside the ride, let's get to another and very important part of Epcot, the Food and Wine Festival. So Deanna got Canada's
Beef
bacon
and cheddar soup.
bacon cheddar soup.
Bacon and cheddar, yes.
I got the braised beef poutine with refreshment pork. That braised beef poutine was fantastic. It was only $9. It was worth every penny of it. Oh, so good. This is a cheese Danish of some sort.
It's
from
cheese
France.
beignet.
Cheese beignet. For our next treat from the Epcot Food and Wine Festival,
We got a honey hibiscus blueberry boba tea, and it is so good.
Epcot runs their Food and Wine Festival every year with hundreds of selections of foods and wines from around the world to sample at each different station. This is the Disney Food Blog Best of the Fest winner from last year, the griddled cheese of Greece. It's pretty good, kind of weird, but I like it.
Mine is a falafel pita. So yummy.
Another stop at the Food and Wine Festival, Mac and Eats. So we got ourselves a Cowboy Mac, and it's really, really good. A little spicier than I thought it would be, but I'm game. The weirdest ride at Disney World.
I told Zach I wasn't going to ride this with him, but here we are.
This ride is legit very weird, but I'm excited for it because it's got Figment. And this incredibly weird and disturbing ride will conclude our 4 parks in a day and a half. As always, please subscribe to our channel if you want to keep up with our Disney and other adventures.